Although I do enjoy cooking, there's a steak under those peppers and a chicken jardinere. Sometimes it's fun to go out to eat. We're here at Festive Walk. I have heard the Summer House is a very good Chinese restaurant, but I have not tried it yet. We'll have to add that to the list because I'm always looking for good Chinese food. I'm looking for the American Chinese takeout, you know what I mean. And that's hard to find here. I love this entryway. This is 3 stories. The top floor is completely empty still, unfortunately. But it's got this nice round, very well decorated, lights up at night, lots of plants. All of this is restaurants. It's just really cool. And there's a fountain down there that is off because they've turned it into other things. There's a bus station here for the Cirrus buses. There's jeepney terminal and a van terminal. So there's a lot of transportation available here. And a walkway to the other side. There's a smaller building which has immigration. It's a decent sized mall, but it's been struggling. I think because it is like less than a mile from SM City and there's only so many stores to go around. This walkway has some restaurants, but it's always unair conditioned, so I never, ever eat in there. I feel sorry for those places. Bigby's is pretty good. I had a subscriber bring me here for lunch one time, and I quite enjoyed it. Don't remember what I got that day. There was a Caesar salad involved, and I don't remember anything else. It's a decent restaurant, a little bit small here. I think the one at SM City might be larger. I got chicken skewers with a Cuban rice, pickled papaya, green beans, and corn. For chicken skewers, it seems a bit expensive, but it was very good, and I was very full, so it was more than enough food. It's a nice place. Service is friendly. This is not the entire menu, but it's got decent selection. You can see it's got medium-priced items. Goes up into some really high-dollar American steaks, which I have no interest in spending that much. I've never spent $20 on a steak in the U.S. I'm not doing it here. They've got big platter items you can share with like 4 or 5 people. So it's got a really good assortment of food, and the prices are pretty reasonable. The mall is filling up a little bit. The whole 3rd floor is empty and actually blocked off at the moment. They opened one little corner of it because there's 2 screens of the movie theater open. The rest of the 3rd floor is blocked off. It never had very many stores pre-COVID, and it's got like nothing now. I did find a chair I want. Oh, I love this. It's a glider, not a rocker. And I bought one in the U.S. at a thrift store for like $35. I wish I could have brought it with me, but it was just giant. This one is really nice looking, but it's 11,000 pesos, which is about $200. I'm going to have to pass on that, but I know they exist. I'll just have to look around for one a little bit cheaper. Food court's doing well. It's not completely full of shops, but it's getting more. They keep, every time I come, there's a new restaurant, it seems like. And as you can see, the food court's doing pretty good business. So Festive Walk is getting busier. This is probably the busiest I've seen it. There is an ATM in the food court, also over by immigration. A lot of ATMs here. I love these lampion shells. I've shown these before, but it's those flat shells, and they make all kinds of decorations, wind chimes, they make windows out of them. They're lovely. Across the street is what they call Festive Parade. They have the food kiosk, mostly open at night, and this whole row of restaurants and shops. This is mostly restaurants over here as well. So if you get a condo or a hotel here, you're set. Enjoy your day in paradise.